In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a joint bank account with Bank of America. This process is straightforward and can be done entirely online, making it convenient and stress-free. Whether you're a couple looking to manage finances together or sharing responsibilities with a family member, a joint account can streamline transactions and financial management. To begin, visit the Bank of America website at bankofamerica.com. Once there, you'll see a navigation menu. Hover over the Bank Accounts tab, and you'll notice the options for checking or savings. These two options cater to different needs. Checking accounts are often used for everyday spending, while savings accounts are ideal for storing and growing your money over time. Click on Open Account for the type that suits your financial goals, such as the Advantage Plus Checking or Advantage Savings. Next, you'll be prompted to add account owners. This is where you choose to add a joint applicant, enabling both parties to share bank account responsibilities. You'll need to enter essential personal information for both applicants. This includes names, addresses, social security numbers, dates of birth, and valid identification forms. It's crucial that this information is accurate and up to date, as it ensures a smooth application process. After entering the personal information, you'll need to fund your new joint account with an initial deposit. You can do this via a transfer from another bank account, or you can use a debit card. Make sure you're clear on the minimum deposit required for the account type you've chosen, as this can vary. Once you've completed the deposit, take a careful look at all the details you've entered. Accuracy is vital because even minor errors can delay the approval process. Now for the final step, click on Submit Application. Upon submitting, the bank will review your application. Assuming everything is in order, you can expect to receive an approval notification. After approval, you and your joint applicant will each receive an email confirming the account setup. Additionally, debit cards associated with your new joint account will be mailed to the addresses you provided. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've successfully opened a joint bank account with Bank of America, granting both parties easy access to your funds and shared financial management. Remember to keep an eye on your email for important updates and further instructions from the bank. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.